So if you're on a call on your iPhone and you always have to put your phone on louder speaker before you can hear the other person on the other side, this is what you have to do.
So first of all, open to your settings, scroll down till you see accessibility, tap on accessibility, scroll down till you see touch. Once you tap on touch, scroll down till you see call audio routing and make sure it is set on speaker. If your own is on automatic, make sure you put it on speaker. Once it is done, come back to the accessibility again and scroll down till you see hearing devices and make sure you turn this hearing aid compatibility on. So this will improve, your audio quality with some hearing aids, okay?
Now, if you want to data bundles, make sure you do what search up at jeffriesdata.com on your Safari or your Google Chrome. Now, let me see you in my next video.